So hello and welcome my friends. I am again with you with some dictionary words, that is the prefix, suffix and the combining form, and some few words that is very valuable to you, seems to be very valuable in the next days. So now friends, let's start our today's lesson. That is the first term is that the bacil, B-A-C-I-L-L, bacil. Bacil does means that the small stuff, a small piece, or that is a rod shaped small piece known as the bacil. Now bacillus is the singular form and bacilli is the plural form. Now basilemia, that is you may relate with that word, that anemia, leukemia. Emia does means that the disease in the blood. So basilemia does means that the bacillus infection in blood. So the which is known as the basilemia. Now the bacil camety-guerin. Bacil camety-guerin is nothing but the BCG vaccine that is given to our newborn babies because to prevent from the tuberculosis. The next word is the bacteria or the bacterio. Bacteria or bacterio does combining form of bacteria. So here again the bacterium is again the singular number and bacteria is the plural number. Bacteriology is the study of bacteria, about the study of the bacteria, and bacteriophage is not the name of a bacteria, it is the name of a virus which attacks a bacteria, is known as the bacteriophage. Now the next word is the basophil. Basophil is a word that is the affinity for basic diet. Affinity for basic diet, so naturally it has its own reaction, the opposite reaction, so it has an affinity to the basic dye. So which ultimately that the basophil takes the color, that is the bluish black to black granules mainly. So again the basophil word in general we also use to term as the something that is bluish or bluish black, we also denote with the word that is the basophil. Now the benign is the opposite word of the malignant, that is the very dangerous form of cancer, and benign does means that which is not harmful, and many friends also in among them use such word, that is the benign, that friend is benign for us, because that means that they are not harmful. He is not harmful. Also some the medical students use this term, that is the benign. Now the bi means that the two or double, that is the biciliate, that is the two cilia. Binucleate, that means that there is two nucleus. Now the bias is a word. Bias does means that this is related with the quality control of the medical labs part. That is the bias is the systematic deviation of results from the truth. That which result I have obtained, which is not truth. So that that is deviated from the truth. This condition is known as the biased value or bias. Now the bile does stands for the bile or coal. Here coal stands for the cholesterol. So don't think that the cholesterol is very essential, not necessary for us, because the normal value of cholesterol is 130 milligram per 100 ml of blood to 200 milligram per 100 ml of blood is required for us. So we do not need to hurry about to find the zero cholesterol oil, zero cholesterol butters for us, because cholesterol is the main component of bile, which is the main essential thing to digest our foods. So cholesterol is the main components of bile. And not only cholesterol is also responsible for synthesis of some hormones. So cholesterol basically is very needful. So the bile, that is the bile or coal, that is the coal here is the biliary, that means that biliary duct, which duct carries bile, or bilious, that is related with the bile, or biliuria or coluria. That is, urea stands for urine. That is when the urine, bilirubin, that is the bile in urine, which condition we generally referred as the jaundice. So biliuria, or it is also referred as coluria. Now the bio, all of you know this term, that the bio means that the life or living organisms. That is the bioassay. The assay means that the assessment. Assessment may be by the chemical, physical or database processes. This assessment is known as bioassessment or bioassay. The biochemistry is the chemistry that related with the biological conditions, the chemical changes and the chemical synthesis, which is studied in the chapter biochemistry. The bioethics is a short form of biomedical ethics. Every job, every trade has their own ethics. So medical, in the medical field there is some ethics also, which is known as the bioethics. Now the biology is the study of the bio or that is the living organisms. The biometry is the biological information collected in a computerized or digitalized matter. Like for the Aadhaar card, we give the print of our fingertips and that is the photo of our cornea. So the biometry is gathered the information about the biology, and the biopsy is that material that is collected from a living organism for testing. If it is the case of the Sushant Singh Rajput, like that, where a unnatural death was occurred, so in that cases the samples collected by the process of postmortem, and the samples is tested, which sample is tested is known as the autopsy. If the man is alive, the sample is known as the biopsy material. Now the blast. Blast is a suffix, that means that a formative cell. A formative cell, that is the primary cell procedure, that is the osteoblast. Osteo, that stands for the bone. So the bony cell development, the first phase of that bony cell is known as the osteoblast. Like that, the myeloblast. Myeloblast is the first form of cell for the all granular blood cells, that is the neutrophil, basophil and eosinophils. Now the megakaryoblast is the first form of the cell of platelets. Like the megaloblast is the first form of cell of megalocytes. Like that, the blasto. Blasto is again a prefix. Blasto does means that a germ cell or embryo. That is the blastogenesis. Genesis just stands for the generation. So blastogenesis is the generation of embryo. Blastocyte, that is the first cell, that is the cell, that is the germ cell, is also known as the blastocyte. Now the blane or bleno, B-L-E-N-N-O, bleno. Bleno does mean that mucus. Now just note that here is the two word, but here the meaning is different. The blenorrhea and blenoria. Blenorrhea is, that means that the urethral discharge with sufficient mucus is known as the blenorrhea. But the urethral discharge like blenoria, like the diarrhea, where the watery part is the main part, so like that the blenorrhea, where the urethral discharge contains more water rather than the mucus. The mucus is copious in amount. Whereas in the blenorrhea, the mucus is the main part, whereas the blenorrhea, the water is the main part along with the mucus. Now the blephar or blepharo. Blephar or blepharo does means that the eyelid. The blepharitis, that is the TC stands for the inflammation, that is the inflammation in the eyelid. That is may occur mainly for for the any type of infection in the eye, conjunctiva. And now the blepharoplasty. Plasty just means that is repair, that is regeneration, that is the repair is the plasty. Now the blepharoplasty, some people has a short eyelid, so it seems that when they are sleeping they are looking before us. In that cases, doctor do such type of operation, that is the blepharoplasty. By that they repair the eyelid, and this is also known as the tarsoplasty. Now the brachy or brachio. Brachy or brachio that does means that the arm, that is the brachialgia. Algia does means that the pain. So brachialgia is the pain in the arm. Now the brachy is Y with Y. Now brachy with Y is the shortness of anything, that is the brachydactylia. Brachydactylia is the shortness of the fingery part, that is the that may happen in the metatarsal or metaphalangeal part. So the shorter finger is known as the brachydactylia or brachycephaly. Cephal stands for the skull. So the brachycephaly, the body is like the Jamoban, but his head is so small. This type of patient is known as the brachycephaly. Now the brady is the slowness, that is the bradycardia. Slow cardia, that means that the cardiac or heart. So the bradycardia is the slowness of the heart. So it appears as the slow pulse rate. So slow pulse rate is common in the athletes, because body is regulate the body itself regulates it in such a way that the athletes has a low pulse rate, that is generally referred as the bradycardia, but not like that, because the runner, especially the athletes, has a bradycardia. So they can, when they can run, the body is up to control that the heart rate, but before that body controls itself. Body just modernized itself. Now the broncho is, that means the windpipe, that is the windpipe is a tree-like structure. So bronchoscopy, scope does means that the to view like the microscope, to view the microorganisms or microscopical things. Like the bronchoscopy is the to view the windpipe and its accessories. Now the bronchitis is that is the tis, that stands for the inflammation. So due to inflammation there is cough and cold in the bronchial space, that is the windpipe and this tree part. That is this disease is known as the bronchitis. Now what is the bri? Bri is again a combining form, because hyphen is in the both sides. Thus means that the full applied, that is the embryonic, that is the bri in the middle. So embryonic, that is related with the life. Buck, B-U-C-C, buck, that means the mouth. The hollow part of the cheek, is known as the buck or buccal cavity. Now after B, we are now studying with the words with C. The first word is the scak or caco. Cac or caco, that means that the disease or deformity, that is the cachexia. Cachexia is commonly happen in the for the mainly the TB patients or the cancer patients, where the patients get weakness, loss, and along with that the total declination of its health condition. This condition is known as the cachexia. Now the calc or calci or calco. Calci does means that the calcium or its salts. That is the calcification, that is the deposition of calcium is known as the calcification, sorry. Now the calor. Calor does means that the heat, that is the calorie we are measuring in every moment for our food. The calorimeter which measures the heat. The caps means the container, that is the capsule where the medicinal things are encapsulated, and encapsulation, that is the very common in some bacteria which encapsulated themselves in the non-favorable condition. So friends, in the next video again we will meet. So for today, that is thank you, and so thank you for today.